Hey there, this is a spreadsheet for all of you that love to collect music. So if you have vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, MP3s, and if you've got a huge album collection and you want to keep track of it, this is a perfect spreadsheet for you to use. We're here on the dashboard tab, and this automatically calculates everything that you've got. So this will calculate the total albums that you owned, the total vinyl records that you own, CDs, cassettes, or MP3s. This will also give you a value of your collection, your average artist rating, and then the number of each item that you own per category: vinyl, CDs, cassette, 8 tracks, or MP3s. And then the top albums. So this you can actually type in here. So if you want to rate your favorite albums of all time, you can rate your top 10, and you can just write in whatever you'd like. So we'll go here to the next tab. This is actually your music collection tracker. At the top, it shows you again your total value of your collection, the total number of albums that you own, total number of vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, and then your average artist rating. And then, so we'll start here on this first row and I'll show you how it works. So I have some examples here, and basically when you get this, just delete out what I've got and then just start fresh. So we're starting here. So you want to write down your favorite artist, or the artist of the album that you've got. So let's say we're going to write artist name here, and you've got the name of the album, and then you're going to choose a category. So you choose the drop down, and then there's all sorts of categories to choose from. You can edit this and then change, if there's a different category. If you want to delete these out, you can. You just add another item and hit done. So we're going to just say this is a rock album, and then the media type, we've got vinyl, CDs, cassette, 8 tracks, and MP3s. Again, if you wanted to edit this and change something out, you could, and hit done. So we're going to say this is vinyl, release date. You can double click in there, or you can physically just write in the date. And then if you wanted to make file numbers for your items, you can. So if you've got it all organized, you can just create a file number. And then condition, this is mint, near mint, very good plus, very good, good, good plus, poor, and fair. If you attended the concert, you can put the date that you attended the concert. And then if you want to rate the album an 8 out of a 10. And then the date you bought it. And then if it's valued at a certain price, and this will contribute to the value. So we've got 2145, so say it's worth $100 right now, that's going to add that there. And then you could, go to an antique shop or another reputable source to get a album value. And that's basically it. And so as you scroll down, this is all going to stay there, so you can continue to use the sheet. And add more to it. So this goes down, quite a few rows, and then I can make more rows and get you down to 900. Hold on. Okay, so we're down to 990. If you have more than that, you just have to add more rows at the bottom. So I'll show you this. Add 10 more rows, and then all you do is just highlight this section here, and then drag from this little dot all the way down, and then that will give you more rows if you've got more than 1,000 items. So that's basically how this works. I know my dad has a huge album collection, and he's really proud of it. So I thought of him when I made this. So if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. You can purchase it on my Etsy shop at savvyandthriving.etsy.com. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.